Hey learners! Welcome to Quick and Easy Learnings, where we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of English tenses. I'm Fiza, your guide on this linguistic adventure. Buckle up, because today, we're not just learning, we're diving head first into the marvelous realm of English tenses. No jargon, no confusion, just pure, unadulterated language magic. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Today, we're about to unravel the mysteries of English tenses. Tenses are like the timekeepers of sentences. They tell us when an action happens. We'll break them down into three main time frames: present, past and future, using some fabulous formulas. Let's start with the simple present tense. This one's for things happening now or regularly. The formula: subject plus base verb. Like, I play guitar. Or, she loves chocolate. Now, the simple past tense. It's all about actions in the past. Use subject plus past verb. For example, they watched a movie. Or, she visited Paris. Moving forward, the simple future tense. It's for actions yet to come. Formula: subject plus will, shall plus verb, first form, plus object. I will call you. Or, she shall meet you. Time for the continuous tenses: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. These show actions in progress. Formula: subject plus be, verb plus base verb plus ing. Like, he is reading. Or, they were playing. And lastly, the perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. These reveal completed actions. Formula: subject plus have, verb plus past participle. I have finished. Or, they had already left. And there you have it, our crash course in English tenses. You've taken a big step towards mastering this essential aspect of the English language. Remember, learning is a journey. And practice is your trusty compass. If this video has been your guiding star, consider subscribing to Quick and Easy Learnings for more enlightening language adventures. Until next time, keep those questions coming. Ask me in the comments below. If you want me to make a complete video series on tenses, then let me know in comments section. Keep learning. And keep it quick and easy. This is Fiza signing off. And I can't wait to see you in the next chapter of our language exploration. Stay curious.